Alright, so this is a WEN pneumatic coil roofing nailer. Comes in its own carrying case, which I could feel that through the box. That's nice. Okay, it does come with paperwork, which I hope will fit in the box. In the carrying case, I mean. Alright, so that's the carrying case. It's a very nice day today. It's like 47 degrees in December, almost before Christmas. WEN coil roofing nailer. Alright, let's just take a look. 70 to 120 psi. It does 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch nails. Its fastener diameter is 0.12 inches, 11 gauge. Air supply, clean, dry, regulated air. Oil bottle. Alright, so it comes with the case, the nailer, a hex key, single sequential trigger, rapid fire trigger, which I don't want, and oil bottle in this manual. Right, they recommend a filter and air supply to be hooked up to this, which I do have all that to connect. It talks about clearing a jam nail, and even has a parts diagram of the assembly of the nailer. Okay, here is the nailer, packed away nicely. Comes with goggles, that's nice. Let's see how that's how you change it. Alright, let me go get my nails and I will return. Alright, I got my nails. So these are coil nails that I have. These are 0.12, 11 gauge. And I have my my pneumatic oiler all prepped. So we're just going to connect that up to this end here. So it's ready to go. Alright, so loading the nails. I'm going to fix any of them that are kind of wacky. Okay, we just put the nails in there, load them up, close the lid. Okay, so that's how you feed it. So I fed the nails in that way, made sure that they were sitting all the way in. There's a little magnet right there that will keep the nails suspended so you can put the cover on it. And then you pull this down, lock it into place. Now it's ready to go. Alright, so we're going to give it a test. I'm going to get my hose. Alright, so this is my Metabo 1/4 inch hose that I got. This is good for 300 psi. Now before I connect this to my air compressor, I got to make sure I adjust the pressure. I'll make it like maybe 110 maybe. Just want to make sure I got enough coil so that the air hose will just go. Alright, I have it set to 110. I'm just going to try it here, see what happens. Let's see, where's the stud at? Oh yeah, okay, so that worked. Alright, so now we're going to do our first piece of trim. This is our drip edge, and the purpose of drip edge is to do what it says. I said, I was trying to explain to the missus you do it, and she's like, yeah, the name is self-explanatory, you don't need to explain it any further, which was pretty funny. Alright, so I'm going to go 8.5 feet maybe a little bit more. Yeah, 8.5 feet should be fine. So I'll put a notch on here. So that's 102 inches, what we're going for. So we'll just put a notch down there. All right, the reason why we put the little notch there is because this has to bend on this line. All right, and then we're gonna follow this up exactly so that it matches that as best we can. And then this is gonna fold over like so. Actually, it'll fold over on the top. We'll do a 45 here, a little miter downward. Okay, we're just gonna leave this hanging because we need the finish with the underlayment. Come on. All right, so I can focus on one thing. I'm gonna put that right there. The one thing I'm focusing on is getting up here. Oh boy, don't want to fall off. Wish this had a hook to suspend this by, but we can do this. Now I can just pull the hose up. Yes, sir. All right, we'll do a piece here, a nail right here. Going into the rafter when I do this. Nope, that's not good. Come on. Okay, so that's how you feed it. So I fed the nails in that way, made sure that they were sitting all the way in. There's a little magnet right there that will keep the nails suspended so you can put the cover on it.